This beautiful 2002 Boxster S was purchased specifically for the Classic Restoration Challenge from a loyal Paul Miller customer. During our first test drive, it was clear we had some work to do. This 22-year-old vehicle has over 74,000 miles and was in need of major repairs as well as maintenance. We started with an engine oil leak repair and a convertible top, and other repairs including all brake pads and rotors, brake calipers, 4 tires in alignment, replacement of major components such as headliners, major maintenance services including spark plugs. The interior and exterior showed heavy signs of use and exposure, but a full interior leather repair, interior detailing, and exterior paint correction brought out the best in this handsome convertible that also has the beautiful hardtop option. All work performed, being considered this Porsche Classic Convertible is now ready for the road and is a real daily driver that continues to capture the imagination of many car enthusiasts, including our staff. We hope you enjoy the vehicle, and thank you from Paul Miller Porsche.